we have a little contest to see how fast we can put this thing together?
Happy to be here at the Museum of Old Newbury. I'm Graham McKay, the Executive Director at Lowell's Boat Shop.
And I'm Bethany Groff, the Executive Director right here at the Museum of Old Newbury. And we are here, well, we've been together a lot over the last week. We've been assembling annual fund packets. Why are we assembling annual fund packets together, you may ask?
Because we are doing it together. So those of you getting one will see a joint packet from both the Moon and from Lowell's Boat Shop. The idea is it goes out to all of the donors and supporters that we would normally send a letter to, as well as all of those from the Moon.
That's right. So we have been working together a lot. There's an awful lot of helping each other out, which is great. The wonderful thing about Lowell's Boat Shop, to me, a feeling of the place is like nothing else. Although right now I hear that the dominant feeling is coldness.
The dominant feeling over there is drink your water before it freezes. But here, I did not step foot in this place until Bethany took over. It was the big brick house on High Street that you go look at and is full of old furniture. But the reality is that the collection here is so much more than that, and I just never knew, and I didn't know really until Bethany told me. The entire collection relative to Newburyport and the surrounding area is way deeper than I ever thought existed. Very much because Newburyport's a maritime town, very much has a maritime bent.
For my part, obviously Lowell's, again, appeals to me. Just the atmosphere over there is wonderful. There's a lot of hands-on kind of learning that goes on at Lowell's, and we both have very vibrant internship programs. Our internship program here at the museum tends to focus a little bit more on older high school students and college students. And I think we're both very into like, okay, here's the real thing, and you're going to learn how to make a boat, or you're going to learn how to catalog a collection, and you're going to deal with the actual collection. It's not a fake. You're making something real. I
got here, I guess, late morning on Monday, but I felt like I did not leave here until certainly until after dinner time on Thursday, and the entirety of the time I spent assembling these packets and writing personal notes to everybody who got one. That took a very long time, but I believe is worth it to get a little something personal from us, because really that's what the organizations are about, is personal connection. I feel like one of the things that we have in common actually is this, like, we're all kind of in love with it. Like, I get so excited to talk to people about what we do here, not because it's like I'm going to shout history at you, which I definitely will do and often do. This is not just something that we do because, it certainly isn't for the money, right? It's something that we're deeply passionate about. We're all trying to feel at home, and what is more rooting, what is more of comfort than sort of understanding and deepening your relationship with your community. There's your tape, honey.
Oh, tape.
You tape these things together in the back.
Oh. My understanding, I'm just fine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you just fold them.
Just fold them. Great.
I mean, I can just fold them. I don't know, maybe you.
Listen, I can manage that.
With your big, meaty boat-building hands.
History's alive, everybody.
That's right. Look at that beautiful thing.
They gotta go sailing on the river.
That's right. Look at that. Little cow and sheep there.
So I think, and this is what I credit Bethany with, certainly here. Bethany, she does breathe life into this place. If we're being honest, a lot of people want to come here.
Not.
Yeah, I know. Here, I'll cover my microphone. Want to come here because they love the Bethany show, and
but Bethany works extremely hard.
I know.
And that's the whole thing. That's the Graham show too. Every year I think both of us would rather be doing just about anything than fundraising, and would rather work fundraising into everything we do, which I think we do. But it's on me as the director to raise 2/3 of our operating budget every year, despite our really wonderful and so grateful for our endowment. But it's basically enough to keep the building standing. It's not enough to do anything. I like to give people something for their donation. So, so this year we are, and of course I have to make it as complicated and ridiculous as possible.
Yeah.
So this year we achieved that. I also, Alan Bull, who most of you who are local will know, really cherished local artist, has done incredible work of art for us here and loves this community as much as we do. So that's another way. If you got this in the mail, I mean, us two buffoons just put this thing together. I didn't even have my glasses on half the time, and I managed it. So I'm quite sure that anybody in the world can make a fun little scene for themselves and their family. So I know it's silly. If you're a member of the museum, you've gotten some silly things from us in the last couple of years, but I hope that you enjoy them as much as we enjoyed putting them together. And if you're a member of the museum, I hope you consider supporting Lowell's Boat Shop.
And same, if you're a member of Lowell's Boat Shop, I would love to see you support the Moon, and even if that is getting a membership. The probably the lowest hanging fruit for both organizations is to join as a member, and it generates a little bit of money, but what it does is it grows the community. And if you're a member and you get an invite to a talk and you come and you invite a friend, that's how the community grows, and that's really what we're looking for.
We mail this to our current donors and members, but we do have some more, limited number. So if you would like to make a donation, we are happy to mail it to you or deliver it to you if you're local.
First 100 callers.
That's right.
If you can donate to either organization through the websites. If you can make a note or a memo in there that you want a packet, you can make that note and we'll send one out to you.
You can call as well,
Yeah, or
the
email.
old-fashioned way.
This one is called Who Gave Those Guys Scissors?
Coming back to this.
You know what? I can't believe it eat my phone.
You're not as old as all the stuff in this house.
I'm the oldest I've ever been.
That's true.
So there you go. You want to know a little bit more about the street you're on, where you live. If your ancestors ever went to sea, you want to know a little bit more about what their life was like, come find us. Or you just want to have a good drink and hang out with some cool people.
Well, you gotta be a member for that.
You have to be a member, but we will be here playing with paper dolls.
Yep, all night.
Yep, good times.